Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic expression. The quiz contains the basic operation, minus, multiplication and division. So we have to solve this quiz using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. In the answer list we have four answers. A is 1, B is 2, C is 3, D is 4. So let's see after solving it which answer is correct. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. Now let's talk about what are the rules which we can follow to solve the given expression. Here we will discuss two rules, BODMAS and PAMDAS. These rules we can apply to solve any arithmetic expression. And the rule says if your expression contains any bracket or parenthesis, so you have to solve that part first in your expression. After the bracket, you have to see the power of any number. If your expression contains any number which has the power, so you have to solve that part after the bracket. Step number 3, you have to solve the division and multiplication. So what you have to do, you have to go left to right in your expression and find out division and multiplication. Both has similar precedence, so you can solve any of them which is coming first. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have same rule. We can solve addition first if it is coming first, and we can solve subtraction first if it is coming first. Now move forward to solve the given expression. So according to the BODMAS and PAMDAS rules, first of all, we have to solve the bracket or you can say the parenthesis. So in our expression, we have this number which is 5 minus 1. We have to solve this one first. It becomes 4 divided by 5 minus 1, it becomes 4, multiplied by 6, divided by 3 minus 1. And here we have to give the reference like 5 minus 1 equals to 4. Now move forward. Step number 1, we have to repeat until we have solved all the bracket or parentheses. Now this time we have 4 divided by 4 multiplied by 6 and divided by 3 minus 1, it becomes 2. And here we have to give the reference 3 minus 1 equals to 2. Now move forward. We have solved the bracket. Now we have to see the exponent part or order of operation. But in our expression, we do not have any number which has the power. So we can skip this one. Now move forward for division and multiplication. What we have to do, or you can say the multiplication and division. So what we have to do, we have to go left to right and find out which is coming first. So now we have 4 divided by 4, which is equal to 1, multiplied by 6 and divided by 2. So now we have to give the reference like 4 divided by 4 equals to 1. Now again we have to go left to right and find out which is coming first. So now this time we have 6 multiplied by 1, which is equal to 1, and divided by 2, we will write here as it is. And here we have to give the reference 1 multiplied by 6 equals to 6. Now, forward, we have two terms. We have to divide these two terms and get the answer is 3. The answer of the given expression is 3. If you see the answer list, so answer C is the correct answer of this expression. So I hope you understand like how you can solve the given expression using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn this type of tips from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah.